The Huawei P20 Pro is the first smartphone with a triple camera and looks like an iPhone X on the front. We had the opportunity to have a first hands-on with the new flagship, which not only boasts a spectacular design, but also some real innovations. First, the housing. The P20 Pro has a 6.1-inch OLED display on the front panel with an 18.7:9 format and 2240 by 1080 pixels. And oh, by the way, all the notch haters out there can disable it in the settings. At just 7.8mm thick, the metal and glass smartphone is now finally IP67 certified. Just like Samsung with the S9, Huawei is also fully committed to photography. The P20 Pro even has a triple camera on the back. Moving from top to bottom, there is an 80mm focal length telephoto camera with a f2.4 aperture, a 40MP RGB sensor with a f1.8 aperture and a 20MP black and white sensor with a f1.6 aperture. The bottom line for the user is a camera with 5x hybrid zoom, which should keep image quality stable even at high focal lengths, at least Huawei says so. The real selling point is that the user doesn't have to worry about the hardware. Huawei always combines the work of each camera in every photo to create the final image. This is all supported by an NPU built into the Kirin 970, which analyzes the image in real time at 30 frames per second and then takes care of the focus and sets suitable scene modes. There are also some other impressive tricks. The P20 Pro offers a mode for long exposures, with which you can take hands-free photos for up to 8 seconds. And that's really impressive when you first try it out. The smartphone also comes with an active laser autofocus and an LED flash with a color temperature sensor, and its maximum light sensitivity, by the way, is 51,200. 4K video mode is also included, as is the now obligatory 960 frames per second slow motion mode, even though this feature only comes at 720p resolution. The front camera is now 24 megapixels and has an f2.0 lens. The Kirin 970 SoC is supported by 6GB of RAM and the integrated memory holds 128GB. The 4000 mAh battery can be recharged with a 5A charger at 4.5 volts using Huawei's Supercharge. And for audio fans, the device also has stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos. And lastly, it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with Huawei's own Emotion UI in version 8.1. So what do you think about the Huawei P20 Pro? Could you get used to the mixture of a design that's very close to the iPhone X with a triple camera on the back? We're looking forward to all of your comments, and if you liked this video, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this clip. And please also make sure to check out our other videos about the Huawei P20 and P20 Lite and the stories about the new Huawei flagships on AndroidPIT.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.